Okay, I just showed up Brian's house and he looks like he's already taken the tight top slice off of this log right here. And he's just getting ready to work on taking another slice off. So I think I'm gonna record it for him and we'll see how it goes. He's readjusting the saw right now. Okay. He's made some improvements to his chainsaw. He added a winch to it, and put an eye bolt on the end of the rack that the thing sits on top of. So instead of trying to pull it through the log, he just cranked the winch and it pulls it down and slices it as it goes. And now, right now, he's setting the height, how big a piece he wants, slab he wants to try and cut off. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, I've relocated myself now. I'm getting ready to position this thing on the log and start doing it. Brian's hooking up the rope that's connected to the crank that pulls the thing down as they're cutting, so you don't have to work at it by hand. And let's see how it goes. Here we go. Fire up. Oh, needs some oil. Smoking. Murphy is working overtime today. They got about a foot and a half in before they
3 feet.
2 feet in before they encountered a nail in the middle of the tree, which is now they're probably gonna have to start from the other end and come back this way and see what they can do about it, you know. To be continued.